Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a file upload option in Google Forms. This is incredibly useful when you need to collect documents, images, or any other files directly from your respondents, whether it's for assignments, job applications, or customer feedback. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you're there, sign in with your Google credentials if you haven't already. This will bring you to the main Google Forms dashboard where you can create and manage all your forms. Next, click on the blank form option. This creates a fresh new form for you to work with. You'll see a clean slate where you can start building your form from scratch, which gives you complete control over every element. Now look for the section labeled Untitled Question. Right beside this field, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down menu and scroll through the various question types available. From this list, select File Upload. This is the option that will allow your respondents to attach and submit files directly through your form. Once you select File Upload, a message will pop up on your screen. This is Google informing you about how file uploads work and confirming that you want to enable this feature. Simply click Continue to proceed with adding the file upload functionality to your form. Now it's time to customize your question. In the question field, type something relevant to what you're asking. For example, you could type, "Did you experience any issues while using our service?" This makes it clear to your respondents what kind of file or information they should be uploading. To further refine the types of files you'll accept, you can enable the option Allow Only Specific File Types by toggling it on. This gives you more control over what respondents can submit. Once enabled, you'll see several checkboxes appear, including options like document, spreadsheet, PDF, video, presentation, drawing, image, and audio. Check the boxes that correspond to the file types you want to allow. This prevents people from uploading irrelevant or incompatible file formats. Next, you'll want to set the maximum number of files that respondents can upload. Click on the drop-down menu beside this option and select your preferred limit. This helps you manage the volume of submissions and keeps things organized. You should also set the maximum file size to ensure that uploads don't take up too much storage space or cause issues during submission. Click the drop-down menu beside Maximum File Size and choose your preferred option from the available choices. This keeps file uploads manageable and ensures smooth processing. Finally, to make sure everything works as expected, click the Preview button located in the upper right panel. This opens your form in a new window where you can test the file upload feature yourself, ensuring it functions correctly before sharing it with others. And that's it. You've successfully added and configured a file upload feature in Google Forms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.